Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with a new chapter, that is redox reaction. It is one of the most important chapter of physical chemistry. In class 10th, you were taught about reduction and oxidation, but it was simply the basic idea, simply introduction of reduction and oxidation there. In class 10th, you were explained that reduction is addition of hydrogen, while oxidation is addition of oxygen. This definition is having limitation because till now 118 elements are known and all the chemical reactions do not involve hydrogen and oxygen. There are many reactions in which other elements participate. So the definition taught to you in class 10 is not applicable for all the chemical reactions. That's why some more ideas regarding definition of reduction and oxidation is added. Now first of all, let us talk about redox reaction. You know it very well that reduction and oxidation reactions takes place simultaneously. If one of the substance is showing reduction, then at the same time the other reactant for the same chemical reaction will show oxidation reaction. So reduction and oxidation reactions takes place simultaneously. And that's why the reaction is called redox reaction. Now, next, the definition of reduction and oxidation. For defining reduction and oxidation, three concepts were proposed. Concept number first is called classical concept or traditional concept. Concept number second is called valency concept or oxidation number concept, and concept number three is called electronic concept or modern concept. So let us talk first about the classical concept. Now, according to classical concept, reduction is defined as addition of hydrogen or addition of metal or addition of cation, that is positive ion, or removal of oxygen or removal of non-metal or removal of anion, that is negative ion. All these parts are included in reduction. Suppose a chemical reaction is there in which hydrogen is added. Then reaction will be named as reduction. Suppose there is a reaction where metal is added. That reaction will also be treated as reduction reaction. Or a cation is added, again reduction. Oxygen is removed, again reduction. Non-metal is removed, again reduction. Or a negative ion is removed, again it is a reduction reaction. Then what is oxidation? Oxidation is just opposite of reduction. Just opposite of reduction. Here it is addition of oxygen or addition of non-metal or addition of anion, that is negative ion, or removal of hydrogen or removal of metal or removal of cation or positive ion. All these points are included in oxidation. Let us see examples. Example first, where oxygen gets converted to H2O. Definitely, we are adding hydrogen. An addition of hydrogen is called reduction. So when oxygen is converted to water or H2O, this is called reduction of oxygen. Reduction of oxygen. H2 gets converted to H2O. It means we are adding oxygen. Addition of oxygen is called oxidation. So when H2 gets converted to H2O or water, this is called oxidation of hydrogen. Next, Cl2 gets converted to NaCl. What we are doing? We are adding sodium. And sodium is a metal. So metal is added to chlorine. Addition of metal is called reduction. So when Cl2 gets converted to NaCl, it takes place by addition of sodium metal. So conversion of chlorine to NaCl, that is sodium chloride, is reduction reaction because a metal is added. Then we have Na gets converted to NaCl. What we are doing? We are adding chlorine. We are adding a non-metal. An addition of a non-metal is called oxidation. So when sodium gets converted to NaCl, this is called oxidation of sodium. Then comes the second concept, which is called valency concept or oxidation number concept. Remember, what is valency? The combining capacity of an atom or an element is called valency. Here, if we talk about hydrogen, HCl, then H is combined with one atom of Cl, or Cl is combined with one atom of hydrogen. So valency of both the atoms, that is hydrogen and chlorine, is 1 here. Valency of H is 1, valency of Cl is 1. Combining capacity of an element or an atom is called valency. When plus or minus charge are added to valency, then it becomes oxidation number. Remember, valency is never negative or positive. It is simply a number. But if we are talking about positive valency and negative valency, then it is called oxidation number. Like here, over H, I have written +1. Valency of hydrogen is 1, but oxidation number of hydrogen in HCl is +1. Cl, valency of Cl is 1, but the oxidation number of Cl in HCl is -1. Reason is very simple. Oxidation number depends on movement of electrons. If electrons are moved away from an atom, then the atom gets positive oxidation number. If electrons are moved towards an atom, then the atom gets negative oxidation number. So what is valency? Valency is simply combining capacity of an element. And what is oxidation number? Positive valency or negative valency is called oxidation number. So here about reduction. Increase in negative valency or decrease in positive valency is called reduction. On the other hand, oxidation. Increase in positive valency or decrease in negative valency is called oxidation. We know it very well that negative valency or positive valency is called oxidation number. So it can be defined in other way also. Reduction. Decrease in oxidation number and oxidation, increase in oxidation number. I've written few oxidation states for the atom. -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7 and +8. So if we are moving from left to right, then it is increase in oxidation number. Suppose an atom is changing its oxidation number from -3 to 0. We are moving towards positive side. This is increase in oxidation number. -1 to +1. Again, we are moving towards positive side or towards right hand side. So if an atom is changing its OS, oxidation state, from -1 to +1, it is increase in oxidation number and this is called oxidation. Suppose the change is there from 0 to +2. Again, it is increase in oxidation number and this is called oxidation. Or from +1 to +5, again it is increase. So whenever we are moving from left to right hand side, it is increase in oxidation number and this is called oxidation. Now the reverse. If we are moving from +3 to +1, we are moving towards negative side. So if an atom is changing its OS, oxidation state, from +3 to +1, this is decrease in oxidation number and this is called reduction. Change is there from +2 to 0. Again this is decrease, this is reduction. 0 to -1, this is decrease, it is reduction. -1 to -3, it is also decrease, this is called reduction. Remember, whenever we are talking about free molecules or molecules in native state, like H2 is the free state for hydrogen. Hydrogen in nature exists in the form of H2. Chlorine, the free state of chlorine is Cl2. In nature, chlorine exists in the form of Cl2. So whenever free state for an element is provided, then the atoms present there gets zero oxidation state or zero oxidation number, because the bond is formed between the same type of atoms having same electronegativity, so there will be no electronic displacement. Here HCl, Cl is having more electronegativity than hydrogen, so Cl is taking electron of hydrogen towards itself. So electron of hydrogen has moved towards chlorine atom, that's why it is getting -1. One electron of hydrogen has moved towards chlorine, moved away from hydrogen, that's why it is getting +1. So in free state, atoms involved are same, having same electronegativity. So in free state, atoms have zero oxidation state. Like here, H2 gets converted to HCl. It's the free state of hydrogen, so each atom will have zero OS, oxidation state. When it is converted to HCl, the oxidation state of hydrogen becomes +1. So what is the change? 0 to +1, 0 to +1, this is increase in OS. So when H2 gets converted to HCl, it is called oxidation of hydrogen. Another side, when Cl2 gets converted to HCl, is the free state for chlorine. OS will be 0. So Cl2, when converted to HCl, the OS of Cl changes from 0 to -1. 0 to -1, this is decrease in OS. So when Cl2 forms HCl, this is called reduction of chlorine, while when H2 gets converted to HCl, this is called oxidation of hydrogen. Last one, electronic concept or modern concept. The most simplest concept. for oxidation and reduction. According to electronic concept or modern concept, what is oxidation? Loss of electron is called oxidation. So when Na gets converted to Na plus, we observe loss of one electron. Loss of electron is there. So when Na gets converted to Na plus, this is called oxidation of sodium. Then what is reduction? Reduction is gain of electron. Fluorine, by gaining one electron, gets converted to F minus. Fluorine is gaining electron and gain of electron is reduction. So fluorine, when gets converted to F minus, this is called reduction of fluorine. That's all about the concepts of reduction and oxidation. Thank you.